Hey there, welcome aboard. I'm in my garage. We're on our way back from shopping, and I went up with a check engine light on this. As you can see, I have never had a check engine light with this. I've got a noise in the front because it's doing a humming thing. I don't know what it is. Now I kind of have to assume it's a bearing, but I don't know. As you heard in that thing, okay, let's see what we got. Exhaust gas recirculation flow. Exhaust gas recirculation flow. It's a P400. Huh. I don't know. Yep, 4600. Yes, it is. Ain't that something? Trouble codes. This information for this trouble code is not available. Please connect your tool to trouble codes and others. Huh. So, but at least all my modules are clear. So it could be the EGR system here. So I'll jump in the book real quick and see what it's got to say. I'm gonna frickin' clear it. And I'll let you clear it if the engine's not running. So let's do. Remember that it's a P400. Okay, race was successful. It could just be humidity, and of course we're 20 degrees out, and you're driving down the road. It's even cooler than that, so it might have something to do with moisture. It might have just been a freak thing. So there you go. And unfortunately, I didn't start all my monitors again. We'll see what the book has got to say on this particular issue. Going on, I brought it into the garage because I'm going to get underneath that. I want to find out what that noise is. That is my main objective. So door here for a minute. Let's jump into Escape P400 and see what it's got to say. I'm thinking it's the canister. When did that come on? I just put fuel in. No, I didn't. I didn't put any fuel in it. I'm troubleshooting P400. We'll go see what. I just wanted to know real quick what that check engine issue was. So I've never had that light come on before. And you wonder, I haven't had that problem, and now all of a sudden I got a Jeep on the road. And now it acts like it's jealous or something. Come on, where's my systems? Come on. Go back to emissions. Jesus. Okay. Because that's probably what it is, for emissions. There you go. Let's see, P400. EGR, flow failure. Outside the maximum or minimum limit. You were right, EGR. Okay. Freaking EGR valve. Okay. P400 401. Exhaust gas recirculation. EGR valve. Insufficient flow detected. That just says flow failure. EGR, more windings. EGR sensor circuit. Okay, so EGR. Okay, so what's EGR valve? All right, so we'll see if it comes back. Comes back. Well, I gotta change EGR. We're done for the day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. We'll catch you on the next Crosby's Garage.